This is a Peterbilt 548. We'd like to spec these trucks a little bit heavier than most, so we're going to go ahead and put a 20K front end on it. And we're going to go ahead and do a 46 rear instead of just stopping at 40. Now, 40 is going to be enough for most of the tanks you're going to put on these. However, for the few $1,000s and a couple £100 of cost, you're going to get a much stronger rear end that's going to help with the surge in the tank when you're driving around with those half full tanks. So it's worth having, worth the investment. Up front, we like to stay and get you guys in the north a good engine heater in it, so you always have a good plug-in. We're gonna go with that smaller 50-gallon tank and a smaller def tank for you local guys with this day cab, just to give you plenty of room to put whatever pump you'd like on here to keep your drive line distance a little shorter, to avoid having to get to those carrier bearings if we can avoid that, so that you have a good sturdy drive line for your pump. We like to spec these trucks with double frame. That's 3/8 outside frame with a 5/16 inner sleeve. And if you are in the north and you're worried about that salt, we can go ahead and do a 1/2-inch solid heavy-duty frame right there for you as well. We also like to move our air dryer over to the passenger side to keep it out of your way, so we spec that straight from the factory for you like that. Every time we get a truck, we make sure that it already has your fire extinguisher and your triangles inside for you, as well as your extra fuses, so you don't have to worry about that stuff on the road. So guys, come with me. We're going to go ahead and open the hood, and we'll take a look at the power plant in this truck. Peterbilt has a super clean setup with the PX9 engine, 360 horsepower rated, and this truck is paired with an Allison 3000 transmission. This truck has heavy duty springs like for that front 20 front end. Everything's very easily accessible. Transmission oils, easy to get to. You can see your fuel filters. Everything's really easy to work on this truck. Inside the truck, we're gonna have a nice, comfortable ride for the driver with an air ride seat, totally adjustable. You're gonna have all your controls up on the steering wheel for easy access. Make it easy to run your cruise control. All your Bluetooth connectivities in here. The truck comes CB prepped for those of you guys that like to run that. Very simple, clean interior, concert radio. Your PTO switch and your airbag dumps are right here together. The best thing about these trucks is that RPMs are set. There's no need to change anything. It's easy on the user. Just get to flip a PTO switch, RPMs are ready to run your pump. On the driver's door, you got your heated mirrors, your power mirror adjustment, power windows, and your power door locks. If you guys are looking for more information, visit us at septictrucksolutions.com or give me a call.